So you see in our last video, we got to the Maldives, but you might be asking, what are the top activities to do once you get to the Maldives? And so in this week's video, we're gonna take you through the top 5 activities that you can do in the Maldives. Activity number 5, water sports. And so what I'm talking about that is jet skiing, wakeboarding, paddleboarding, or even kayaking, getting out in the beautiful Maldives water.
Activity number 4, whale sharks. This is one of the few places in the world that you can find and swim with whale sharks.
Activity number 3, deep sea fishing. The Maldives is known for some incredible fishing. And so when we went, Trevi and I caught 2 large fish. Well, one was bigger than the other. And so I caught a small little tuna, wahoo. Check it out.
Activity number 2, snorkeling, scuba diving, and if you're really adventurous, night snorkeling. And you can do this whether it's taking out a boat or from your overwater bungalow. Just jump in that water and there's so much to see, from sharks, stingrays, turtles, you name it.
And so before we get into activity number 1, we encourage you guys to like this video if you like some of the activities that we're talking about here in the Maldives. Subscribe down below to stay tuned to our next adventures where we're going to talk about the top 5 romantic things you can do as a couple here at the beautiful Maldives. And there you have it. Down to the last activity. So activity number 1 might not be the most adventurous, but definitely the most relaxing. And so activity number 1, walking around the beach, soaking up the island views, and enjoying the beautiful crystal clear blue waters that the Maldives is known for. There you guys have the top 5 things that you can do in the Maldives to have an awesome adventure. With who? Your adventure buddy. Because after all, life's an adventure.
Who are you going on it with?